Why do 70% of industrial pump failures happen unexpectedly? Let's fix that. Unplanned downtime costs you time and money, and traditional condition monitoring just doesn't cut it. It detects failures too late and relies on outdated fixed schedules, missing those subtle early warning signs. Enter Reliabix Analytics. This game-changing solution leverages real-time data analytics to spot deviations in flow rates, motor current, and efficiency. It predicts mechanical seal failures, bearing wear, and system imbalances before they happen. Proactive detection with actionable insights. With predictive analytics, Reliabix determines the optimal time for maintenance based on your asset's performance. No more unexpected failures, and no more unnecessary servicing. Think root cause analysis, equivalent bearing life assessments, and downtime risk forecasts. The benefits? Reduced unplanned downtime, optimized maintenance schedules, extended asset life, lower energy consumption, and improved productivity, all while improving reliability and predictability. Prevent pump failures before they happen. Unlock actionable insights with Reliabix Analytics.